Hello, we are SplitBill, a social fintech paytech app built with open banking technology at its core. SplitBill wants to bring you into the future, where card payments usage is reduced. Where friends are able to split a bill instantly. And walk away from restaurants without having to wait for the bills at the table. A future where restaurants are able to increase their turnover as the table rotation and fill rate increases. A future where merchants can get paid at a fraction of current market costs. And receive funds immediately on their account. SplitBill will be able to offer payment as a service to merchants and vendors. A future where you don't need to insert manually your card details. A future where you can just wave your phone on a screen to complete your order. A future that is closer than you think, thanks to SplitBill. Come and join SplitBill into the future of cardless payments. SplitBill.